We will now continue our discussion on graphing by learning how to graph linear equations. Now, the question is, what is a linear equation? For example, the graph of y equal to negative 2x plus 2 is shown on the right. This is the graph of y equal to negative 2x plus 2. What is the specialty of this graph? This graph is a straight line. Now, you notice that you take any ordered pair of this equation. We talked about ordered pairs in the last class. All those ordered pairs will be along a straight line. And therefore, such an equation is called a linear equation. A linear equation has its graph a straight line. In other words, all the ordered pairs of a linear equation will lie along a straight line. And if you look at a linear equation, you find both variables are of degree 1. You see? So a linear equation is an equation of degree 1, a first degree equation. So this graph is a straight line. An equation that has a straight line graph is called a linear equation. In the equation y equal to negative 2x plus 2, the powers of both x and y are 1. In other words, their degrees are 1. And this is true for all linear equations. So I hope you have a fair understanding of what a linear equation is. A linear equation is an equation of degree 1. The variables will be of power 1. The general form of a linear equation is ax plus by equal to c. This is the general form of a linear equation where a is a number, b is another number, c is another number. Now, can you write this equation y equal to negative 2x plus 2 in the general form? What all you need to do is move that negative 2x to the left. And so, it will look like this. Moving the negative 2x to the left, you have y plus 2x equal to 2. This is the general form of that equation. This is the same as this equation. And this is what we call the general form. ax plus by equal to c. What is the value of a in this case? A equal to 2 and by 1y. You see, you must write it 2x plus y equal to 2. That is the best way to write it. I'm going to write it below here. Look at this. 2x plus 1y equal to 2. So your a equal to 2, b equal to 1, and c equal to 2. Okay. Let's now go on, and so a is the coefficient of x, b is the coefficient of y, and the c is the constant term. Okay, let's do that here. Write the equation y equal to negative 2x plus 2 in the general form. What do you do to write this in the general form? What all you need to do is move the negative 2x from right to the left. The general form of a linear equation is ax plus by equal to c. Therefore, we move the negative 2x from the right to the left and leave the 2 on the right side. And the general form therefore becomes negative 2x will go to the left to become positive 2x. positive 2x plus y equal to 2 is the general form of the equation. Alright, here the coefficient of x a equal to 2, the coefficient of y b equal to 1, and the constant term c equal to 2. How about this? Write the equation 1/3 y equal to 2 times x minus 3 minus 6 in the general form. Now, whenever you see an equation that contains a denominator, you must say, I need to get rid of that denominator. Now tell me, what will you do here to get rid of the denominator? Very simple. Multiply each term by 3. Each term. Tell me, what are the different terms of this equation? How many terms are there? The left side contains only one term. The right side, this is one term. 2 times x minus 3 is one term, and minus 6 is the other term. So multiply each term by 3 so as to eliminate the denominator or eliminate the fraction. Let's do that. That would be 3 times 1/3 y equal to 3 times 2 times x minus 3. That is one term, minus 3 times 6. Multiply each term. Remember, when you multiply an equation, you need to multiply every term of the equation by the same number. Now you notice the 3 and the 3 here will cancel. So on the left you will have a y alone. And this now becomes 3 times 2, 6 multiplied by x minus 3 minus 18. So y equal to 6 times x minus 3. This is 6 3 times 2. X minus 3 minus 18. And distribute that 6. 6 times x is 6x. 6 times negative 3 is minus 18. So this will be 6x minus 18 minus 18. Look at the two negative 18s there. The first negative 18 is by multiplying this 6 with negative 3. And this is the second. And what does that become now? Y equal to 6x minus 18 minus 18 become minus 36. And now you need to write it in the form ax plus by equal to c. So moving 6x to the left and rearranging, let's move 6x to the left. You get 6x going to the left becomes negative 6x plus y equal to negative 36. So the only thing we did is move this 6x from the right side to the left side. It became negative 6x plus y equal to negative 36. Now, to make the equation look a little better, we multiply each term by negative 1. Now remember, when you multiply an equation by a number, you need to multiply each term. Why have I decided to multiply by a negative 1? So as to make this term positive. Alright? That will be negative 1 times negative 6x. Makes it positive 6x. Positive y times negative 1 will make it negative y. And negative 36 times negative 1 will give you positive 36. I multiplied each term of the equation by negative 1, which then gave me this 6x minus y equal to 36. Now this is the general form of that equation. What is the value of a? A equal to 6. What is the value of b? B equal to negative 1. And what is the value of c? 36. So we have 6x minus y equal to 36 is the general form of the equation. Alright, let's now graph an equation. Graph y equal to 3x. Y equal to 3x. You are familiar with this kind of equation. In the beginning, we talked about y equal to 2x. You remember that one? You walk, for each kilometer you walk, you collect $2. Y equal to 2x. This can be interpreted as, for each kilometer you walk, you collect $3. That means, when x equal to 1, y will be equal to 3. You walk 1 kilometer, you collect $3, right? Or this can also be for somebody who works for $3 an hour. Have you seen anybody working for $3 an hour? There are some people who work for $3 an hour. That means you work for 1 hour, you take home $3. You work for 2 hours, you take home 3 times 2, $6, and so on. So, y equal to 3x. Let's graph it. To graph this equation, we first get a number of ordered pairs. How do we get the ordered pairs? Now, this is how we get ordered pairs. To obtain an ordered pair, we assign a value for x and obtain the corresponding value of y. Well, that's something that you know. If x equal to 1, that means you walk 1 kilometer, what is the value of y? Then y will be equal to 3. So when x equal to 1, y equal to 3, you have one ordered pair. So, since x is the independent variable, we can choose any convenient value for x. You see that? And then we find the corresponding value for y. Alright, let's choose x equal to 3. When x equal to 3, what is the value of y? Y will be 3 times 3. You see, replace your x by 3. Y will be 3 times 3, that is 9. What is the ordered pair? How do you write this ordered pair? The ordered pair is parenthesis 3, 9, end parenthesis. What does it mean? When x equal to 3, y equal to 9. That's the meaning there. Alright, let's choose another input value. X equal to 2. What is the corresponding value of y? Y equal to 3 times 2. That is equal to 6. So we got the ordered pair. X equal to 2. Then y equal to 6. Okay, let's choose another input value. This time I chose x equal to negative 2. Well, is it possible? Yes, input can have any value, but it may not have any physical meaning. You cannot walk negative 2 kilometers. But in the equation, it is possible for us to use an input x equal to negative 2. Tell me, when x is replaced by negative 2, what will be the value of y? It will be negative 6. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. What is that ordered pair? When x equal to negative 2, y equal to negative 6. Alright, let's choose another input value, x equal to negative 1. When x equal to negative 1, what is the value of the output? Y equal to 3x. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. And that ordered pair is negative 1, negative 3. When x equal to negative 1, y equal to negative 3. Alright, these are the ordered pairs. Alright, when x equal to 3, y equal to 9. When x equal to 2, y equal to 6. When x equal to negative 2, y equal to negative 6. When x equal to negative 1, y equal to negative 3. Those are the ordered pairs. Alright, we now mark these ordered pairs in the coordinate plane. Alright, this is the coordinate plane. Can you mark these ordered pairs? X equal to 3, y equal to 9. So watch me do that. X equal to 3, go 3 steps to the right. Y equal to 9, go up. There is the point, that is 3, 9. Our next point is 2, 6. X equal to 2, 1, 2. Y equal to 6 here. That is the point 2, 6. What is our next point? Negative 2, negative 6. So this time I go 2 steps to the left. X equal to negative 2. Y equal to negative 6. There you are. So that is negative 2, negative 6. And the last point, x equal to negative 1. Y equal to negative 3 over here. And that is negative 1, negative 3. And to obtain the graph, we simply join these points. Because our equation is a linear equation, the graph will be a straight line. All the ordered pairs will lie along that straight line. So this is the graph of the given equation. Alright? The graph of y equal to 3x is a straight line passing through the origin. Watch that. I will be asking you this a little later. All other ordered pairs for this equation will also lie on the same straight line. Okay, let's graph another equation. Y equal to negative 1/3 x plus 2. Okay, what do you do to graph an equation like this? Obtain many ordered pairs. How do you get the ordered pairs? We assign a value to x and find the corresponding value of y. Now, we can assign any value to this x. We can choose. So, we will choose the convenient number. Tell me, what convenient numbers for x are possible here? Because of the 1/3, it is better to choose the values of x that can be divided by 3. That will make it easy for us. You see that? So, I'm going to choose first x equal to negative 3. Can you tell me, when x equal to negative 3, what will be the value of y? Now look at the way I've calculated it. Y equal to negative 1/3 times x is replaced by negative 3 plus 2. Now, what is negative 1/3 times negative 3? First of all, negative times negative will make it positive. And 1/3 multiplied by 3 is a 1. So, negative 1/3 times negative 3 is a 1. And 1 plus 2 is 3. And so the ordered pair is x equal to negative 3, y equal to 3. That is one ordered pair. Alright, tell me, what is the next convenient value for x that you can choose? Alright, I chose x equal to negative 6. You see, I am choosing the input x values that can be easily divided by 3. So I chose x equal to negative 6. What is the value of y? Y equal to negative 1/3 times x. X is replaced by negative 6 plus 2. Alright, I want you to tell me the value of this. What is negative 1/3 times negative 6? Now look at the way I'm going to find the value. First of all, this negative multiplied by negative makes it positive. And 1/3 multiplied by 6. What is 1/3 multiplied by 6? This 3 will go in 6 2 times. So 1/3 multiplied by 6 is 2. Therefore, 1/3 multiplied by -6 is positive 2. And positive 2 added to 2 is 4. And the ordered pair is x equal to -6, y equal to 4. That is the ordered pair. Okay, let's now choose x equal to positive 6. Alright, let's see how many of you can find the value of y. X equal to positive 6, what is the value of y? Y equal to -1/3 times x. X is replaced by 6 plus 2. Now, what is -1/3 times positive 6? Well, 3 goes in 6 2 times, and the answer will be negative. So this will be -2, and -2 added to positive 2 is 0. So what is the ordered pair? Ordered pair is 6, 0. When x equal to 6, y equal to 0. I hope you're following the way I'm calculating the values of y. Okay, what do you think is the next convenient value I can choose? I'm going to choose x equal to positive 9. Again, I chose 9 because I can divide 9 by 3. So, when x equal to 9, y equal to -1/3 times 9, tell me what is the value of that. 3 goes in 9 3 times, and that 3 is negative. A negative multiplied by a positive is negative. So the value of this term is -3, and -3 added to positive 2 is -1. So that ordered pair is x equal to 9, y equal to -1. I think we have enough ordered pairs to draw that graph. Don't you think so? Alright, let's go and draw the graph. These are the ordered pairs. X equal to -3, y equal to 3. X equal to -6, y equal to 4. X equal to positive 6, y equal to 0. And x equal to 9, y equal to -1. Let's graph these ordered pairs. Alright, so this is the graph window. The first ordered pair, x equal to -3, go to the left. 1, 2, 3, -3, y equal to 3, this is the ordered pair. -3, 3. The second ordered pair, x equal to -6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the left, and y equal to 4. There is the ordered pair. X equal to -6, y equal to 4. Next, x equal to 6, y equal to 0. Where is that point? X equal to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. X equal to 6. Y equal to 0. Over here. This is the point. X equal to 6. Y equal to 0. What is the next? X equal to 9. Y equal to -1. X equal to 9. Y equal to -1 is this point. And now, a graph of the equation is the straight line that contains all these points. That is the graph of that equation. That means any other ordered pairs will also lie on the same straight line. Now, can you do this? Can you graph the equation y equal to -1/3 x? You see, this is the graph of x equal to -1/3 x plus 2. You see, this is the graph of y equal to -1/3 x plus 2. I want you to look at this plus 2. Look at this. the graph of y equal to negative 1/3 x will pass through the origin. It will be a parallel line passing through the origin. Let me see if I can draw that. But I think I'm going to disfigure this whole thing there. I haven't got it right. It has to be a parallel line. This is the graph of y equal to negative 1/3 x. And y equal to negative 1/3 x plus 2 can be obtained by simply raising this graph 2 places up. Negative 1/3 x plus 2. Alright, I'm going to leave that there for you now. Let's now talk about x and y intercept. What is the meaning of an intercept? An intercept is where two lines meet. Now what is an x-intercept? An x-intercept is the point where the graph of an equation meets the x-axis. Similarly, a y-intercept is the point where the graph of an equation meets the y-axis. Alright. To draw a straight line, we need only 2 points. The last 2 graphs, we obtained 4 ordered pairs. But do we need 4 points to draw a straight line? No, we need only 2 points to draw a straight line. So, it is very convenient to obtain 2 points and draw the graph of a linear equation if you know how to find the x-intercept and the y-intercept. What is the x-intercept? X-intercept is a point where the graph of the equation cuts the x-axis. A point where the graph of an equation cuts the x-axis is the x-intercept. Now tell me, you go along the x-axis, what is the value of y anywhere on the x-axis? You can see, in order to find the values of y, you got to go up or down. Y equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, or -1, -2, -3. On the x-axis, the value of y equal to 0. Anywhere on the x-axis, the value of y equal to 0. Do you understand that? The value of y, so this red line is actually called y equal to 0. Anywhere on that red line, which we call the x-axis, the value of y is 0. Anywhere on the x-axis, the value of y equal to 0. Alright, so the x-axis has another name. There is an equation. The equation for the x-axis is y equal to 0. Anywhere on the x-axis, the value of y is 0. And therefore, in the equation, in the given equation which we need to graph, if you set y equal to 0 and solve for x, the resulting ordered pair will be the x-intercept. I want you to learn that very well. How do you find the x-intercept? If I give you an equation, to find the x-intercept of the graph of that equation, what all you need to do is set y equal to 0 and solve for x. Then the resulting ordered pair will be the x-intercept. For example, let's consider the equation y equal to x minus 5. Now, we need to find the x-intercept of the graph of this equation. In other words, when you draw the graph of this, what point will it cut the x-axis? Now, you know that anywhere on the x-axis, the value of this y will be 0. So what do? Set y equal to 0. using y equal to 0, we can now write this as 0 equal to x minus 5. Can you solve this equation for x? If 0 equal to x minus 5, take that negative 5 from the right to the left, you will get x equal to 5. So, in this equation, when y equal to 0, the value of x will be 5, isn't it? Because 5 minus 5 equal to 0. So what is the corresponding ordered pair? The corresponding ordered pair is x equal to 5, y equal to 0. That's right. So when x equal to 5, y equal to 0, or when y equal to 0, x equal to 5, the ordered pair is 5, 0. And this ordered pair is called the x-intercept. Now remember, for an x-intercept, this y value will be always 0, because we set y equal to 0 and solved for x. The ordered pair is 5, 0. Can you mark it? Where is that point 5, 0? This is x equal to 5 and y equal to 0. So this is the point 5, 0. We got the x-intercept. Tell me, what do you do to get the x-intercept? In the equation, set y equal to 0 and solve for x. And the resulting ordered pair is the x-intercept. Okay, let's now find the y-intercept. A point where the graph of an equation cuts the y-axis is called the y-intercept. Now tell me, what is the value of x along the y-axis? You go anywhere on the y-axis, what is the value of x? Anywhere on the y-axis, the value of x is 0. This is x equal to 0. So anywhere here, x equal to 0. X becomes negative 1, negative 2, negative 3 if you go to the left, positive 1, positive 2, and so on if you go to the right. But as long as you stay along the y-axis, the value of x is 0. Alright. So, in the equation, if we set x equal to 0 and solve for y, the resulting ordered pair will be your y-intercept. Alright, let's again look at the equation y equal to x minus 5, which is the one we considered earlier. Alright, can you find the y-intercept of this? What do you do to find the y-intercept? To find the y-intercept, we set x equal to 0 and solve for y. Alright, what is the value of y when x equal to 0? If you put x equal to 0, we get y equal to negative 5, not 5. You must change that. When x equal to 0, y equal to negative 5. That's right, not y equal to 5. When x equal to 0, y equal to negative 5. Therefore, what is the y-intercept in here? Well, when x equal to 0, y equal to negative 5, therefore the ordered pair is 0, negative 5, and this is the y-intercept. Can you mark this? X equal to 0, y equal to negative 5 is this point. This is the y-intercept, 0, negative 5. Now look at the way we obtain two ordered pairs very easily. What did we do? We first obtained x-intercept by setting y equal to 0. Anywhere on the x-axis, y equal to 0. And we got the ordered pair x equal to 5, y equal to 0. Then we set x equal to 0 in the equation. Anywhere on the y-axis, x equal to 0. When x equal to 0, y equal to -5, that is the y-intercept. And we can now draw the graph of this equation by joining the 2 points, and this is the graph of the equation y equal to x minus 5. Okay, I'm sure you can do one like this on your own if I give you an equation. Let's try. Obtain the x and y intercept and graph the equation y equal to -6x plus 5. Alright, tell me, how do we obtain the x-intercept? I want you to obtain the x-intercept of this equation. How do you obtain the x-intercept? Set y equal to 0 and solve for x. And the resulting ordered pair is the x-intercept. Obtain the x-intercept, set y equal to 0 and solve for x. That gives me 0 equal to -6x plus 5. Can you solve that equation? 0 equal to, we set y equal to 0. So 0 equal to -6x plus 5. Alright, we can move the -6x to the left. That gives me positive 6x equal to 5. And solve for x, what do? Divide both sides by 6. Gives me x equal to 5 over 6. You can understand that now. So what is the ordered pair that represents the x-intercept? Y equal to 0, x equal to 5 over 6. Or the x-intercept is 5 over 6, 0. X equal to 5 over 6, y equal to 0. Alright, can we mark that? Where is x equal to 5 over 6? 5 over 6 is slightly less than 1. It is approximately here. Look at the way I'm going to mark it. Yes. This is the point 5 over 6, 0. That is the x-intercept. Alright, how do we obtain the y-intercept? The y-intercept is obtained by setting x equal to 0 and solve for y. Put x equal to 0 and solve for y. That's very simple. When x equal to 0, -6x becomes 0. Therefore, y will be equal to 5. So y equal to 0 plus 5 equal to 5. What is that ordered pair? The ordered pair representing the y-intercept is x equal to 0, y equal to 5. I want you to understand this very well. For the x-intercept, y equal to 0. For the y-intercept, x equal to 0. Okay? Alright, let's mark this point. 0, 5. X equal to 0, y equal to 5. This is the y-intercept. It means the graph of this equation will cut the y-axis here. It will cut the x-axis here. So what is our graph? Our graph is obtained by drawing a straight line that passes through these 2 points. So this is the graph of y equal to -6x plus 5. Alright? Okay, let's try another one. Obtain the x and y intercept and graph the equation x plus 2y equal to 4. Tell me, what is the first thing that you will do here? The first thing is obtain the x-intercept. Now, how will you obtain the x-intercept? To obtain the x-intercept, set y equal to 0 and solve for x. Alright, let's do that. When you set y equal to 0, it gives you x plus 2 times 0 equal to 4. That will be x plus 0 equal to 4 or x equal to 4. That means x equal to 4, y equal to 0 is the x-intercept. X equal to 4, y equal to 0 is the x-intercept. Let's mark that. X equal to 4, y equal to 0 is this point. That is your x-intercept. Let's now obtain the y-intercept. What do you do to find the y-intercept? Set x equal to 0 and solve for x. To obtain the y-intercept, set x equal to 0 and solve for y. So we have 0 plus 2y equal to 4. We set x equal to 0. 0 plus 2y equal to 4. Alright, if 2y equal to 4, what is the value of y? Divide both sides by 2. You get y equal to 2. What is the ordered pair that represents the y-intercept? X equal to 0, y equal to 2, or 0, 2 is the y-intercept. And where is that point? X equal to 0, y equal to 2 is here. That is the y-intercept. We have the x-intercept, we have the y-intercept, and the graph of the equation is obtained by drawing a straight line that contains the x and y intercept. That is the equation. Alright? Now, if I give you a graph, now look at this. If I give you this graph and ask you whether this graph belongs to this equation, how do you check it? You can check it by using the x and y intercept. You see, you can go and say, when y equal to 0, x equal to 4. Alright, x equal to 4, y equal to 0. That point is on the graph. And when x equal to 0, y equal to 2, that point is also on the graph. And therefore, this line represents that equation. You must be able to learn and get information from the graph like that. Okay? So, x plus 2y equal to 4 is the name of this line. You see? This line is the picture of this equation. Let's do another one. Obtain the x and y intercept and graph the equation 0.2x minus 0.3y equal to 1.2. Well, if I were you, I would take that equation and make all the coefficients a whole number. What will you do to make all the coefficients a whole number? Well, I haven't done that here actually. I have just said to obtain the x-intercept, set y equal to 0 and solve for x. Well, we can do that. So, we first obtain the x-intercept by setting y equal to 0. That means 0.2x minus 0.3 times 0 equal to 1.2. Now, of course, 0.3 times 0 is 0. That gives me 0.2x equal to 1.2. Can you solve for x from there? Well, make both left side and right side whole numbers. How? Multiply by 10 on the left, multiply by 10 on the right. Or move decimal one place to the right on the left and right. So 0.2x equal to 1.2 is the same as 2x equal to 12. I hope you understand that. I moved the decimal one place to the right on the left side and also one place to the right on the right side. And now divide both sides by 2, you get x equal to 6. So what is our x-intercept? X equal to 6, y equal to 0 is the x-intercept. This is the ordered pair that gives you your x-intercept. Alright, let's mark that. X equal to 6, y equal to 0. Remember, y equal to 0 is on the x-axis. So x equal to 6, y equal to 0 is this point. 6, 0. Let's now obtain the y-intercept. How do we obtain the y-intercept? Set x equal to 0 and solve for y. Can you do that in this equation? Set x equal to 0 and solve for y. When x equal to 0, you get 0.2 times 0 minus 0.3 times y equal to 1.2. And this becomes 0. And what will be this equation now? Negative 0.3y equal to 1.2. How will you solve for y here? First of all, make the left-hand side and the right-hand side whole numbers by simply moving the decimal one place to the right on both sides. And that gives me, left-hand side is now negative 3y and the right-hand side is 12. You understand that? Negative 3y equal to 12. Now divide both sides by negative 3. That will give me y equal to negative 4. Is that right? Negative 3y divided by negative 3 is y. And 12 divided by negative 3 is negative 4. So, what is our y-intercept? When x equal to 0, y equal to negative 4, or the y-intercept is 0, negative 4. Let's mark it. X equal to 0 is this. Y equal to negative 4 is there. So that point, the y-intercept is 0, negative 4. Now to draw the graph, we draw the straight line that contains both these points. So this is the graph of the equation 0.2x minus 0.3y equal to 1.2. Isn't it beautiful the way we draw graphs and see the picture of an equation? Okay, it's very important to know how to obtain the x and y intercept. Alright, let's now look at this. Draw the graph of the equation x equal to 4. X equal to 4. That's an equation. What does it tell you? It tells me that anywhere you go, x is going to be equal to 4. What kind of a graph is that? Can you visualize what kind of graph is that? X equal to 4 everywhere. Now, remember I told you the equation of the y-axis. What is the equation of the y-axis? X equal to 0. Because anywhere on the y-axis, the value of x equal to 0. Now that means if you go one step to the right, you find a vertical line x equal to 1. If you go one more step, you find a vertical line x equal to 2. Anywhere on that vertical line, the value of x will be equal to 2. Therefore, what is the graph of x equal to 4? X equal to 4 is a line. Anywhere on that line, the value of x equal to 4. Alright, what is the line that has its x value always 4? Now look at the graphing grid. This is x equal to 4. You see, x equal to 3 is to the left of it, x equal to 5 is to the right of it. That means if you draw a vertical line through 4, anywhere on that vertical line, the value of x will be 4. This is the vertical line passing through x equal to 4. There you are. This is the graph of the equation x equal to 4. Alright? So tell me, what is the graph of the equation x equal to negative 5? X equal to negative 5 will be a vertical line passing through x equal to negative 5. What is the graph of the equation x equal to 0? Look at this. X equal to 0 is the y-axis. Didn't we already talk about it? Yes. Alright. So this is the vertical line x equal to 4. Similarly, the graph of x equal to negative 5 is the vertical line passing through x equal to negative 5. You see? The vertical line called x equal to negative 5. The vertical line called x equal to 4. And what is this line called? This vertical line is called x equal to 0, which also has another name, the y-axis. Alright. What is the graph of x equal to 0? We already said. It is a vertical line that passes through x equal to 0, and that is the y-axis. So this line, the y-axis, is also called x equal to 0. Okay, x equal to 0 is the y-axis. Alright, let's do another one. Graph the equation y equal to 4. Well, if you understood the meaning of the graph of x equal to 4 being a vertical line passing through x equal to 4, you will be able to tell me this. What is the graph of the equation y equal to 4? Anywhere on that line, the value of y will be 4. So y equal to 4 is a straight line, and anywhere on that line, the value of y equal to 4. Now, what is the line that has the y value always 4? There, y equal to 4 here, so it will be a horizontal line. If you walk along this line, you will say, what is the value of y? This is y equal to 4, y equal to 4, y equal to 4. Anywhere on that line, the value of y equal to 4. So this is the horizontal line passing through y equal to 4. This is the graph of the equation y equal to 4. Okay. Similarly, the graph of y equal to negative 2 is a horizontal line passing through y equal to negative 2. Alright? What is the graph of y equal to 0? Y equal to 0 is your x-axis. It is a straight line that passes through y equal to 0. It's a horizontal line passing through y equal to 0. And that is your x-axis. Another name for x-axis is y equal to 0. Okay, let's now, alright, so y equal to 0 is another name for the x-axis. X equal to 0 is another name for the y-axis, and so on. Well, I think we have done some fundamental discussions on graphing linear equations. And the most important concept we discussed is the concept of intercept. X-intercept, y-intercept. I want you to understand that concept very well. Now, we have a couple more lessons left, and we will develop more ideas on graphing in the next 2 lessons. Primarily, I want to develop the concept of slope of a graph. That is what we will do in the next lesson. Alright, in the meantime, do your homework and make sure that you understand all the concepts on graphing we discussed so far. Alright, I will see you for the next lesson later on.